second question of the second part, submission of the mind. We talk about the third theory, Tawheed theory. The second question is, some creators' predications like oneness, are they absolute and seen for knowledge or not? What is the difference between these predications, oneness, and other special predications? The answer of this question are oneness absolute and seen for the knowledge? The answer of this question, yes. But to guide us to his oneness, the creator, the prime mover, the creator decided setting up the universal witnesses, logical axioms, to reach his oneness. And by this answer, we accept axiom number 1 and axiom number 6, and we follow it and match it. Why? Because when we say that oneness has a logical axiom to reach it, those logical axioms imposed by necessary existence, and this necessary existence achieved by oneness and multi-persons and composition contradicted. So we match axiom number 1. And when we say other special predication, follow the prescribed person, and the prescribed person, as we mentioned just now, he is a oneness in his existence and his essence and attributes is one, and other predication follow this oneness. We match the axiom number 6. So any norm comes to make contradiction between special predication or the creator special predication and the creator oneness, you can reject it directly. And if you look for these norms or theory, you will find it stop on specific person, specific time, and it's not axiom, it's set up by human. So you know the difference between the oneness as unseen for knowledge predication and other predication. Yes. The question number 3. If we affirm some visible predication, not just now, visible predication, creator's visible predication after life, if we affirm it, it means we can see these predications after life. The question is, does it lead to the anthropomorphism? Anthropomorphism, we know that anthropomorphism means take a body part, and um, like you have hand, you have feet, body and parts. Yes. No, the answer is no. It's like other metaphysical or abstract predications such existence, life, knowledge, um, speaking, saying, etc. And we explain in detail these predication, metaphysical predication, in the first question, and by this answer we accept and match the axiom number 6. The axiom number 6 said the quality follow prescribed person and not vice versa. In a brief, distinct predication or distinct metaphysical predication doesn't lead or don't lead to the predication come after essence, don't lead to the essence will lose those predication or these predications in the future. Don't lead that. And distinct visible predications doesn't or don't lead to composition in God. And the mereology norms set up by human after they see the prescribed person and after they recognized those or these predications in the prescribed person as human, as you. But regarding the God or regarding God, it's completely different. Why? Because we couldn't see the prescribed person and we couldn't recognize his predications. So this norm is false and we couldn't apply on our Lord. The false or the false option with accept these norms, mereology theory or mereology norms. The false option, or we have, if you want, we have two problems with accept this option, with accept this norm. The first problem is if we accept it and we denied the distinct predication, so what happens? So it will your God will be not self-sufficient and need other to do intervention in the events, and he couldn't follow events. So if we accept the second problem with this norm, if we accept this norm and we accept the distinct predications, and those or these distinct predications will lead to the composition in God, that means your God will be not necessary existence because he depends on other parts or parts, or he needs his composition or his parts. Yes. So we couldn't accept this norm because we have two problems with this, and those two problems contradict the first and second and third and fourth and 5 axioms that we accepted before in the first theory.